I'm going to be cooking today, and yes, I'm going to be cooking today. I got my noodles already ready, open already. So now let's get started. I already got my water already in the bowl, so if y'all saw that, sorry. I maybe deleted it or something because it was looking wrong. So right now, we're going to put the noodles in. Okay guys, I am back. Also guys, I am her personal editor, so I edit all her videos, and yeah. Okay, that's my cousin. So our food is in the microwave, and it's already spinning with the numbers on it right here. And also subscribe to my video, which is Welcome to Nyla's World. And also you go follow my video, which is Welcome to Maya's World. And you better subscribe. It's not called that. It's called Welcome to the Maya. It's called Maya's Show. So I'll link my channel in the description below. guys. Have our hot sauce in. We're gonna mix it up. We're almost done. So now we're done. Now, check out the. I'll be right back. Where's the fork? Almost done. Okay, we're back. And we're done. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Make sure you share this video and tell everybody about it. Peace.